Okay, today we are going to replace the wiper inserts on this 2023 Honda Pilot. This video should work for all fourth generation Honda Pilots, so 23, 24, and now the newly released 2025s. First thing you're going to want to do is get the wipers up into the maintenance mode. Maintenance mode is where they're parked as you see here. You can't do this with the wipers in the down position. The reason for that is with the wipers parked down here, if you go to try to lift them off the windshield, they're going to hit the hood right about here. So there is a procedure to do it. It's in your owner's manual. I have a video how to do it on the page too. It's actually easier than what the owner's manual shows, so check that out. But I won't waste your time here on how to do that. So the next step is going to be lifting the wiper off the windshield. To do that, all you do is gently grab the arm right here, the metal piece, and lift it off the windshield like that. The wiper will stand straight up and down, as you can see here. So now that we have the actual wiper off the windshield, the part that we're going to be replacing is just this blade right here. We're not replacing the whole wiper assembly itself. I'm not even going to take it off the car. The reason why is I don't like messing with this joint here and wearing it out, possibly breaking it or whatnot, because the whole point of doing the insert is to not replace the whole wiper. The insert's about $9, even cheaper online. Whole wiper runs you about $27. Now, the reason I don't go aftermarket on these is because Honda runs a really tight tolerance on their OEM blades here. Hardly any movement, any wiggling. We have a Honda Odyssey that takes a 26-inch blade. In fact, these Pilot blades will fit on the Odyssey, and it's what I run now. But with aftermarket ones, I would find that you would get wiggle here, and it would cause the wiper to chatter, especially at the bottom. It's just annoying when you're driving in the rain and so much other things are going on, and the bottom half of your window isn't getting wiped. So we are going to leave the wiper right on the car while we do this. Here's the part numbers you're going to want to use on your 2023, 2024, 2025 Honda Pilot. Those are the fourth generation ones. This one here, this is going to be for your driver's wiper. This one here is going to be for the passenger wiper. It's going to be the same procedure for both. I'm going to show you how to do the driver's, and you do the same thing for the passenger side. All right, so we're gonna change this insert. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand while I hold the camera with the other. But the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up this insert, and you're gonna raise it up high enough where you can expose that square. See that little square right there? That opening? That's gonna give you enough room to get this insert out of the wiper. So you're just gonna lift it up as you're pulling out, see? So you want it to come out just like that. And then you're going to pull the insert out. Just work it right out. That simple. So now to reinstall your new insert, it's just the exact opposite of how you took out the insert. You're going to line this up, this groove, into this channel, and you're just going to push it up in, just like that. And then you're gonna slowly work it in until you got it about that far. And then you're just gonna grab it and you're gonna pull it all the way up. And you're gonna get it all the way up to the absolute end of that wiper blade. You wanna get it all the way to the top right there, because there's still gonna be this portion here that's hanging out. And then you're gonna grab that and you're gonna pull it up and then put it back down. Make sure it's locked in right there. And you got it the way you want. Yeah, and your fingers are gonna get a little dirty too like that. There's like a graphite coating that's on them. And then just make sure it's locked in. Make sure you're locked in up there. And it's in. So you just, once you're done, you're gonna put the wiper back down on the windshield. The passenger side, it's the exact same thing. So I'm not gonna show you that here. Do the same thing for the passenger side. It might even be easier to put the wipers back down. You can do the passenger side from the passenger side of the vehicle. Just remember, you can't get the arm off too far off the windshield or it's gonna hit the hood over there too. So hopefully this video was helpful. So the last thing I like to do when I'm all done is just give them a little bit of test, make sure the new blades wipe okay. They're installed with no gaps or streaks or anything like that. So we're just gonna hit it. with a little bit of washer fluid and watch them go back and forth. They look great. I'm happy. Okay, hopefully this helps you out. Thanks.